We are behind you with Jenson driving.
Oh, for God's sake! Is Button the guy smashing the freaking horn?
Michi, I've just had a WhatsApp message from Honking saying you're on Hoyer's live stream, we are behind you.
Where does it say that?
He sent me a picture.
Who was that? You said...
Alex Buncombe.
Who?
Al Buncombe, he's a racing driver. He's just messaged me. You are on Michi Hoyer's stream. We are behind you with Jenson driving.
Oh, for God's sake! We're doing a good job hiding so far.
We go, hi Al!
Is Button the guy smashing the freaking horn?
Wait, what's it? Hi Al! Is it Jenson driving, hitting the horn, please?
What's happened right now is beyond me, 100%.
Yeah, anyway, I work with this driver, Al Buncombe, absolute prick.